Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm in Plovdiv, Bulgaria, and I'm inside the mosque. The door opened, there was no lock on it, and I couldn't find anybody around, but the door opened, so I figured I'd take advantage of being able to show you what I see. So let me show you what this mosque looks like. So this mosque was created in 1385, and I'll show you a little, they have some information about it, but 1385, and it's the largest mosque in the Balkans, and it's all carpeted, so I'm not going to walk on it, but it certainly is amazing. 1385, wow, 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 yeah, incredible. And I'm hoping that they'll open the doors and I can come in and visit again when the lights are turned on, but there's no lights now. I mean, can I turn on the lights? Do I dare turn on the lights? Wow. Okay. Oh, Eric's going to be in so much trouble. Okay, I'm going to turn these off and leave. Just because I don't want to get in trouble. Wow. Okay. He's probably out getting coffee, and he probably wouldn't be happy if I was here turning on lights. Anyway, okay. All right, I'm gonna go. Let me show you the thing outside. It's pretty amazing. Let's see which door opened. This one, no? Oh my gosh. Don't be stuck. Okay. Whew. So this is the mosque, and there's nobody in this door. And this door is closed too, but this is what it says about it. The mosque is known under the name of Sultan Murad Mosque, Hüdavendigâr Mosque, Cuma Friday Mosque, and the Ulu Great Mosque. It was built during the reign of the Sultan Murad. Okay, that's very cool. Okay, there's all that information. And for the other people that have other languages that watch my videos, you guys can read this one. 1385. Wow. Well, I wish it was open more. And here's bathrooms. I think these are mosque bathrooms. Huh, I don't have any idea. There's no way that mosque could just be open without anybody around. Maybe the person that opens it does the bathrooms too. What time is it? It's 9:30. You would think that it'd be open, but let me show you the front of this mosque so you can see the mosque. And this is the mosque right here. Let me get a little farther away so you can see it. Wow. Yeah, it's big. Biggest in the Balkans. I wonder if we get to go up in the tower too. Well, I will I will try not to break the rules, at least any more of them, and I will come back at a later time and maybe they'll be open. Let me go check that bathroom too, because I thought I heard a noise, so maybe he'll tell me, or she'll tell me, or whoever will tell me what time they open. Pretty amazing. Okay, everybody. The mosque in Plovdiv, Bulgaria. Okay, bye everybody.